Hello my fellow farmer, please take a look at this video. Now a few years ago I ventured into poultry farming with a friend, and we got our finger burnt. We have ugly experience which I don't want to talk about in this video. Now the truth is, my experience in poultry farm is very ugly. Okay, but there are some people inside the same poultry farm that are doing exponentially well. Okay, so if you are contemplating in starting your own poultry farm this year, please don't hesitate to start. Don't allow other people ugly experience to stop you. Okay, your own destiny is different from every other people out there. Do your due diligent research, ask questions from experienced poultry farmer, or if possible have a mentor in the poultry farming industry, okay, and start your own poultry farm. Don't allow people experience to stop you. I wish you well in this 2025. Please, if you find this video helpful, you can help us to share it. You can like, you can comment. If you are watching it from YouTube, please subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.